Today I'm going to show you how to create a pixel dispersion effect or pixel explosion effect in Photoshop. First, go to Select and choose the subject. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and the Choose Gradient. And click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics group icon and choose the black and white. Double-click the black color stop slider. In the color picker, choose dark blue color. And click OK. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Move the gradient fill layer below layer 0. Select the layer 0. Go to the filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. Select the layer 0. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool. Hold Shift while dragging right handle outwards to increase the size of the model. This part determines the size of the effect. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Hold Alt while clicking on the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Layer 0 copy. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Brush tool. Click to open the Brush Preset Picker. Click the gear icon and choose the Legacy Brushes. And click OK. Open the Legacy Brushes group icon and choose the Square Brushes. Select a brush size, choose around 18. Click Toggle the Brush Settings panel. Click on Shape Dynamics. Just copy these settings. Click on the Scattering. Just copy these settings. Close the Brush Settings panel. Set opacity to 100%, flow 100%. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is black. And click OK. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. Press left and right square bracket key to resize your brush quickly. Now, start the creating effect. You can drag the brush or create individual pixels. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Go to the Layer panel. Select the layer mask of layer 0. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is white. And click OK. Start the creating effect. You can drag the brush or create individual pixels. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Go to the Layer panel. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Drop Shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. And click OK. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. Select the layer mask of layer 0. Go to Filter, Stylize and choose the wind. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Let's apply the effect again. Go to Filter and choose the first option here. And reduce the opacity to 50%. And this is the result.